Love Marie Paolo ang Paco Escudero, born February 14, 1985, known professionally as Heart Evangelista, is a Filipino actress. She is currently an exclusive artist of GMA Network, represented by Alice Talent's agency in Paris, France, and Directions Groups. She is the second wife of the incumbent Senate President Francis Escudero. Heart Evangelista was born in Manila to Reynaldo Evangelista ang Paco, a Filipino businessman, and Maria Cecilia Paolo. Evangelista is the youngest child in her family. She was born in the Philippines and moved to the U.S. before returning to her homeland in her early teens. She started her career at age 13 as a model and TV actress. Heart Evangelista's rise to stardom. Before modeling for Louis Vuitton and becoming First Lady of Sorsogon, the Filipino icon starred in kids' TV shows. First spotted acting on a kid-friendly show called G-Ming, she's gone on to become an influencer, TV host, singer, model, philanthropist, and even a painter. She boasts an impressive 7.6 million followers on Instagram and 2.3 million subscribers on YouTube. Evangelista is now a 20-year veteran of the entertainment business, from being a Filipino brand ambassador to being the face of global luxury campaigns for the likes of Louis Vuitton, Dior, Bulgari, Ferragamo, Jean Paul Gaultier, and more. The Hermes bags and shirts that Evangelista hand-painted have been showcased at several galleries, including the Ayala Museum and Gallery Joaquin, which sold out of them several times over. As a result, there's now a long waiting list for her paint jobs, and the star charges 90,000 pesos to paint a luxury purse. Heart Evangelista has been in relationships with Daniel Matsunaga, Francisco Delgado, Jericho Rosales, and Indy. Francis Escudero and Heart Evangelista have been married for 9 years since the 15th of February 2015. Here is Heart Evangelista and Chiz Escudero's relationship timeline. 2007. I've had a real crush on Chiz ever since 2007. I had another boyfriend at the time, and I saw him at a La Union beauty pageant I was hosting. December 2009. Heart and Chiz apparently first noticed each other at the airport. June 2012. Heart appeared on The Buzz and dropped the news that she and Chiz had already gone out for dinner twice. This set the internet ablaze since it was only several weeks after her breakup with model actor Daniel Matsunaga. It was also around a month after the annulment of Chiz's marriage to Christine Flores. During the October 5, 2012 episode of Chris TV, the politician officially revealed that he and Heart are exclusively dating. Chiz said, "I would like to think so, yes," when Chris questioned him about having a girlfriend. February 2013. In a February 9th interview on Showbiz Inside Report, Chiz was asked if their relationship was heading towards marriage. "Hopefully, yes, and it would be unfair, stupid, and wrong to say that you don't wish. You don't want it to head in the direction," he disclosed. On August 23, 2014, Heart arrived for what she thought was a regular dinner at the Escudero home. Instead, Chiz told his son Quino to take out a heart-shaped heirloom ring. Chiz got down on one knee and asked Heart, "Will you marry me?" "Of course." Heart said, "Yes." August 2014. Chiz revealed he asked Heart's dad for his blessing before proposing. In a text message sent by Mr. Ong Paco, it reads, "Congratulations. Heard the news and I just wanted to wish you well. It seems like yesterday when you were just a little girl. Now, you're all grown up, on your own and engaged. As a father, I wish you all the happiness, love, and blessings in the world. Only you deserve the best. I love you very much." January 2015. On January 12th, Heart's close friends and the staff of Star Talk, the show she hosted at the time, surprised her with a bridal shower. Heart also released a prenup video ahead of their wedding day, shot by Bob Nicholas, February 2015. After more than 2 years in a relationship, Heart and Chiz tied the knot in a Catholic wedding ceremony held at the Lesson Island Club. The details and highlights of Heart Evangelista and Chiz Escudero's vow renewal ceremony. Heart Evangelista renewed her wedding vows with husband Chiz Escudero, her very special 9th anniversary with the senator. According to the socialite actress fashion influencer, is marking another milestone for them. The two were married on February 15, 2025, in the exact venue they first tied the knot, Balesin Island in Quezon Province. Heart was a stunning bride in a custom beige Elisab gown that features intricate beading, and a veil, which according to Harper's Bazaar Singapore was a personal request from Heart herself. She told Harper's Bazaar Singapore, "Elisab has a special place in my heart. It was actually one of the first shows I ever attended in Fashion Week. I've always loved their dreamy and romantic creations, and when I saw the custom couture dress, I knew that was it." The vow renewal ceremony took place at Balesin Island Club's Royal Villa. Come reception, Heart changed into a fully beaded gown in Swarovski crystals with cake by designer Michael Leva.
Inside Heart Evangelista's modern minimalist one-bedroom condo. Like many celebs, Heart Evangelista knows the value of purchasing and making the most of prime properties. In a recent vlog, Heart reveals she got a one-bedroom condo unit at the Sapphire Bloc, a 4-tower complex developed by RLC Residences in Ortigas. Given Heart's schedule, it's important for her to have a space dedicated to work, which is why she decided to turn the unit into a chic office with enough room for relaxing and entertaining friends. Each corner features curated piece, and her main office is a visual marvel that's guaranteed to make her feel inspired while working on different collaborations. A fan of maximalist design, the fashion maven appreciates the modern minimalist look of the unit, with her requests tastefully delivered. The unit opens up to the neat kitchen with a bar counter that also functions as the dining area. Interior designer Astrid made sure to install different kinds of mirrors to visually enlarge the unit. The left side from the door also features a work of art. The kitchen is designed in such a way that Heart can conveniently prepare food while still being able to chat with guests. The induction cooker can be kept when not in use to free up more space. Since Heart is known for her impeccable style, the design team made sure the entire unit mirrors this. From the cabinet doors to the chosen materials, you can see how it's chosen to reflect the owner. One of the interesting things done in the unit is how the bedroom was turned into the main office and how the living area became the sleeping space. With this switch, the office, which is the focal point of the unit, has bigger space. In the sleeping area, the mix of cream canvas and white can be best appreciated, as well as the drapes Heart wanted. The vertical lines of the drapes further highlight the high ceiling of the unit, one of the key features of the units available at the Sapphire Bloc. When it comes to achieving a cohesive aesthetic, it's a must to make sure every detail adds to the overall look. Here, double swing doors lead to the office. Since it's a glass door, light can still flow freely into the kitchen and sleeping areas to keep the unit from looking cramped. From the lighting to the furniture pieces, this office space reflects Heart and how she loves art. The matching tufted seating pieces complement the carpet and the striking table. Meanwhile, they also created a mirror wall to conceal an existing column and seamlessly integrate it into the space. Beside Heart's table is a gallery wall shelf that holds hand-picked decor and books. Heart can instantly personalize this area with more things that keep her creative juices flowing. From this side of the office, Heart can take in the beauty and openness of the space. She can easily hold meetings and welcome her partners here. Inspired by one of Heart's interviews, they decided to skip adding a bulky closet and chose to have an open one instead. In the said interview, Heart mentioned something about treating clothes as works of art, so why not display them? The storage unit at the bottom can hold shoes and other essentials. Heart loves the idea of having a fireplace, but since it's not possible in the condo unit, the design team thought of creating a full fireplace in the office. It can be used to display plants and other decor pieces. Above the mantelpiece is a work of art that represents Heart's dog, Panda. The toilet and bath is compact, but the design team made sure it adds to the overall impact of the unit. A captivating mural livens up the walls while bronze fixtures complete the look. Interior designer Astrid mentioned that they retain the original tiles of the bathroom since it's good as it is and complements the aesthetic. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Your support means a lot. Hit the notification bell so you never miss out on new content. Always take care.